everybody. I have a lot that's been up with me this week. I have gained a lot of stuff to sell this week. One thing I did, I asked some friends if they had any collectible items from places they have worked or other jobs or anything, affiliations that they've had in the past. Let me know. I'd like to have something. And then I had a friend show up with a whole bag of hats, snapback hats. She says, well, they're all from the 80s. You can just have them and do whatever you want with them. So I'm really excited to share those with you. I'm going to go through them right now. We're going to unbox them together and see if I have anything good. So anyway, it's the first time I looked at these hats. It's a giant garbage bag full of hats. Hopefully there's something in here that I can sell. They look to be, so far, farming related, trucker type hats. Gosh, this bag is really stuffed. I might just have to go through a little at a time here. Well, I'm seeing a lot or a few International Harvester hats, and they're all pretty dirty. As you can see here, they are pretty well used. This one says Case International Harvester Agriculture on it. This one also says Case International Harvester. It's kind of got a lot of dirt in the headband. Here's Hilco Technologies, more International Harvester hats. Yeah, some of them are pretty darn dirty, so I don't know. I'm going to do my best to clean them. This one says Larry Boyer Land and Cattle. I don't know if that would be anything that anybody would be interested in, but they are all ag hats. U.S. Farm Report. That's interesting. More of these JTI hats. JTI has kind of a farm emblem on it here. JTI since 1940. Twin Rivers Terminal LLC. AgPro. Boy, these are pretty used. I'm not sure. Oh, this one I don't think I could use at all. Whew. Potlatch Federal Credit Union. Yeah, that one's going in the garbage. Well, guys, Jones Truck and Implement. They're pretty cool. They're just really, really dirty hats. So I guess here's the question. Can I get them clean? So I guess this is just going to be continued for the moment. Let's see what I can do with these. Are they trash or are they treasure? Stay tuned. All right, so it's been a few days since I've washed the hats and dried them. I put them in the washing machine and I washed them on gentle cycle, and then I took them all out and let them dry naturally. I did not put them in the dryer. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in groups and I'm going to put them on as a buy it now because I have so many hats. I think if I were to list them separately, it would be a big mess for me, especially right now since we are moving. So here's all the hats that I have here. They all turned out really nice though. More than half of them came clean and nice and fresh, and so I am going to get those listed on eBay. I think I'm going to do a little bit of half and half and see what happens. I'm going to list some of them in a bulk, in a lot for sale, and then I might do some separate individual hats too. A lot of them are like $10 to $20 hats, not huge money makers. And since we are moving here shortly, I don't know if I want to keep a very large inventory of single hats on hand. I think I might just, but I just think it might be easier if we do a lot, and then I can just label them and move them that way. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will keep you up to date on how these hats sell for me. And as always, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, it'll help me out a lot. Thanks, bye-bye. I'm going to get them all listed. Hey, that was a nice catch. I lost my camera.